Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, I want to go over the comparison of two very similar products. So the popular Matrix Ultra, and then there's the Matrix Ultra 2, which is more of an updated version. Now the specifications on these are very similar. They both support 330 pounds of weight. The Matrix Ultra, once you remove the battery, weighs 34 pounds. Matrix Ultra 2, when you remove the battery, it weighs 35 pounds. They're both airline approved. And they're similar, but the designs are different. So it might be about preference. So I'm going to kind of show you some things that are different and why you might like one over the other. So first thing I'll show you is if you come up close here, you can see side by side, the seat depth of the Matrix Ultra 2 is longer than the seat depth of the Matrix Ultra. The armrests are about the same length. Now you'll notice the joysticks are different. So if you come around to this side, I'll show you. This has a digital joystick. You got your speedometer, battery gauge, speed control, got your horn. Now this one is a digital one, but it's slightly different. Speedometer, speed control. Here's your battery life. This is an odometer. Here's your horn. Sounds like a car horn. The main difference between these two is this one, the Matrix Ultra 2, has an Attendant Controller that comes standard. The Matrix Ultra does not have that, so that's really a matter of preference. So you can actually control the chair with this. So if you're a caretaker, you can use this, and you can pair this to this. It's very easy. We've shown it in another video. And then you can control the user and stand beside them and talk to them. So you don't have that ability on the Matrix Ultra.
Hey, quick announcement. Just wanted to let you know we are giving away a free mobility scooter. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then also comment on any video. It can be this video or it can be any video on our channel. Once you do those two things, you'll be eligible for our next giveaway. We are doing this monthly and we will announce this on all of our social media platforms when the winner is announced. So just wanted to let you know. Now back to the video.
Now the foot plate, this one is longer on the Matrix Ultra 2. It's pretty slim on the Matrix Ultra. I would say the frame is a little bit longer. This one's probably better for a taller rider as opposed to this one. So if you're taller and you want something lightweight, I would probably go with this one, Matrix Ultra 2. But they're really both great chairs. Another thing is how the batteries, how you get to the battery. So the battery on the Matrix Ultra 2 is right here. Here's a little clip that I pull and I can access the battery. I can charge it directly on here. You can charge it directly on the joystick. And there's also a USB charging port that you can charge your cellular device on here. So I'll put this back on. And if you did charge your cell phone on here, just keep in mind it's going to draw more power from the battery.
So when you order a product that's made by Discover Your Mobility, you actually get a lot of free stuff that comes with it. And I'm going to go over that with you real quick. So what you're going to receive is an umbrella, which can be mounted to your mobility scooter or electric wheelchair. You're also going to get touch-up paint. You're going to receive an arm bag holder that can go on the armrest. You're going to get a cup holder. Now this cup holder is for a mobility scooter, and this cup holder is for the electric wheelchair. You're going to get a cane holder. You're going to get a safety flag. You're going to get an oxygen tank holder. You're going to get a car charger. And you're going to get a headlight, and this is also a horn as well. And you're going to get a cover. So you get all this stuff for free. Share that with you. Now back to the video.
Not too much, but it will draw a little bit more. Now the battery on here, there's a little button at the top and you slide this off. And the battery is shaped a little differently. You can charge it directly on here as well, or you can charge it on the joystick. You have a little zipper storage pouch underneath here. This one does not have a storage pouch, the Matrix Ultra 2. It's more open, so there's not a way to secure things, but you can store more belongings in there as opposed to the original Matrix Ultra. Both of these chairs, you have different color options to choose from when ordering. You also have spring suspension. That's the same on both. On the front, the original Matrix Ultra has this glossy, like mirror type of rim that's on the wheels. It's also on the back wheels. You don't have those on the Matrix Ultra 2. This actually has anti-tip wheels, the original one. The Matrix Ultra 2 does not have anti-tip wheels. You're probably never really gonna use that, but you know, it's a safety thing, so some people like that. There's a little bit of storage on the back of the original one, no storage on this one. You also have more padding on the seat back. This is more of like a mesh material, kind of like a computer chair.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
So when you fold this, the original Matrix Ultra, you use this clip, and then you can fold it this way, flip up the foot plate, fold that. So now you got that one folded. Now if you fold this one, you have a lever. It's not like a lever like that. You push this down, flip up the foot plate, and that's how this one is folded. So there's some similarities, there's some differences. Both great products. They're both priced at the time of this video almost the same price. I think the Matrix Ultra 2 is slightly more expensive, but not by much. I think it's like maybe $50. Both great products. Both support 330 pounds of weight. Both really lightweight, both airline approved. Really couldn't go wrong with either one. So if you have any questions about these chairs, give us a call. We'll be able to answer them for you. And if we don't know the answer, we'll get the answer and we'll get back to you. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.